Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Shopify Plus, complete guide step by step. To activate effective sales strategies with Shopify Plus, start by defining your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This insight is crucial for tailoring your sales approaches effectively. Next, analyze your current sales data. Review trends and patterns to identify what's working and what isn't. Leverage these insights to refine your strategies. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience and data, set specific sales goals. These should be measurable, attainable, and time-bound. Now, explore the Shopify Plus features that can enhance your sales efforts. Utilize advanced analytics to track performance in real time. Implement automated marketing campaigns for personalized outreach. Next, optimize your online storefront. Ensure it's user-friendly and appealing to visitors. A clean layout with easy navigation can significantly boost conversions. Consider utilizing upselling and cross-selling techniques. Show relevant products to customers during their shopping. Additionally, create engaging content around your products. High-quality images and videos can enhance customer interest. Implement social proof elements such as reviews and ratings. These can build trust and encourage potential buyers. Now, let's enhance your checkout experience. Reduce friction by minimizing the steps required to complete a purchase. Consider offering multiple payment options to accommodate different preferences. Next, focus on post-purchase engagement. Send follow-up emails thanking customers for their purchase. Encourage them to leave reviews or share their experiences on social media. Use Shopify Plus's customer segmentation features to target specific groups. This allows for personalized messaging and promotions based on buying behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.